So today's video on GBPUSD is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social, a community where you can get to share your insights, your market strategies, your ideas. It is also a community where you can connect with traders, analysts, and developers. Note that this community is not only for traders, it is also for analysts and developers. It is also for any traders that also trade either the forex or the stocks or the crypto or the indices or the commodities, whatever financial market you trade. Invest Social has a community for every of these financial markets. To be part of this community, guys, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Now, so let's start with our trend for the day on GBPUSD. Our trend says that we are in an uptrend move. This is the high right here. Now let's go down to our let's increase it to our go back up to our daily time frame. This is also an uptrend move. So markets eventually smashed above this level. So I mean, it is not of a really surprise. At the same time, it is what we were not really expecting, because I mean this is the major rejection zone. Whenever markets comes to this zone, markets most of the time tend to reject from this zone. It tends to reject, as you can see right here. So eventually market was able to smash above it and it broke, right? Thereby giving us a new high. Now, when you have to zoom it in, you will see that this is your first high and this is a pullback. Then here comes the new higher high. So with this new high, we have to expect market to give us a pullback. So with that pullback, I expect market to probably come to a level of, let's target a level of 1.35850. So we should target a level of 1.35850 on GBP USD. So a little bit of a pullback to a level of 1.35850. Once it can pull back to that level, then we might start looking for a buy that will eventually push up to give us a new high. So if there will be changes to this movement, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. So if you find this video very helpful or this analysis very helpful, make sure you do not forget to visit investsocial.com.